and those individuals must be brought to book. That is the work of the government, because the government must protect Kenyan property and life. So when that happens, we should stop saying it is the Somalis. One Somali is not equal to the Somali community, just as one Mukamba is not equal to the entire Kamba community. So this is the attitude we would like from the national cohesion perspective. This is the attitude we would like the Kenyans to have. When a law is broken, let the government pursue that criminal and bring that criminal to book as an individual. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
So IMBC, it means during the coming exercise of delineation, they need to strictly follow the county boundaries, and all polling stations must be within counties. In other words, if they are for MCA or for MP, and also those citizens should vote where they are in that county, because the law allows us to live anywhere in the country. Okay? So nobody is asking any Kenyan to move where they are, but then they have to vote there. Even if by tribal identity, they belong to the other side. So IMBC has also created some confusion on these county boundaries. That's our experience from Garissa up to here.
What we are encouraging is diplomacy between the two neighboring counties. And we have institutions in place, like the Peace Committee, which are both in Tana River and also in Kitui County. The government, which is in Tana River and Kitui, is one government, the national government. And what we are encouraging is a dialogue between the two governments, agents, so that we bring common understanding between our people at the grassroots level. Because most of us, we have also worked in those areas. We understand those things. What we need to do is to create those structures that will encourage the common people who share common boundary and resources to use them uniformly and to assist one another. Because when a time, for example, if we are blessed with water, it will be also not very good to let your neighbor suffer because of drought. Yeah. I am sure if the local leaders engage one another, if the communities, neighboring communities engage one another, if the government agents work closer with one another, we are going to tackle these issues. And that is the approach we are taking.